Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 personal blenders. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Are you tired of being confined to your kitchen when you want to enjoy a fresh and delicious smoothie? Look no further than the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. With its cordless design, you can blend up your favorite shakes and smoothies wherever you go. Its powerful blending technology can easily crush through frozen ingredients, ensuring perfectly smooth drinks every time. With a generous 18 ounces vessel capacity, you can make enough for yourself or share with friends. And the best part? You can choose from a range of premium colors to match your style and personality. The blender also features a convenient hinged carry handle, making it easy to take your drink on the go. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is designed for convenience and ease of use. The easy open sip lid allows you to blend and drink directly from the same vessel, eliminating the need for additional cups or containers. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze. The lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. The blender even has a self-cleaning function with a 30-second blend cycle using water and dish soap. Powered by Ninja Blast technology, this blender creates a powerful vortex with its ribbed vessel design, while the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly effortlessly blasts through ice and frozen ingredients. Say goodbye to lumps and chunks in your smoothies. Experience freedom in blending with the Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. Enjoy your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Introducing the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, the ultimate kitchen companion for shakes, smoothies, food prep, and frozen blending. This powerful blender is equipped with a 700-watt push-to-blend motor base that effortlessly powers through all your ingredients to deliver the best of Ninja blending. With its pulse technology, you can achieve smooth and consistent blends every time. Unlock hidden nutrition from your fruits and veggies with the nutrient extraction feature. This blender can extract vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables, including portions that are usually discarded. Say goodbye to wasted nutrients and hello to a healthier lifestyle. Crushing ice and pulverizing frozen ingredients is a breeze with the frozen blending function. Create resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more with ease. The compact design of this blender allows it to fit on any countertop, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Enjoy on-the-go convenience by blending directly in the included 16 ounces single-serve cup. Simply attach the spout lid and take your creations with you wherever you go. Cleaning up is a breeze as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. To kickstart your blending journey, this Ninja Fit Blender comes with a 50-recipe inspiration guide. Get inspired to create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. The package includes a 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 16 ounces, Nutri-Ninja single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, and the 50-recipe inspiration guide. Experience the power and convenience of the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, your go-to appliance for all your blending needs. Get yours today and elevate your culinary creations to new heights. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, look no further than the NutriBullet Personal Blender. With its 600-watt motor, this blender can effortlessly turn a variety of ingredients into delicious and nutritious smoothies. Whether you're in a rush or just want a refreshing drink, the NutriBullet makes it easy to blend and go. Cleaning up is a breeze too. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and it's ready for the next use. With its compact and intuitive design, this blender will become an essential part of your daily routine. The package includes everything you need to get started, from the motor base to the cup and lid. Plus, it's built to meet North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring safety and reliable performance. Take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. Looking for a compact and versatile blender that can handle all your blending and grinding needs? Say hello to the Yabano Personal Blender. With its 500W powerful motor, this blender is perfect for making protein shakes, smoothies, and even grinding coffee or spices. The compact size of the blender makes it ideal for small countertop spaces, while the included 2x20 ounce travel bottles allow you to take your favorite beverages on the go. Plus, both bottles conveniently fit in a car cup holder. The Yabano Personal Blender is incredibly easy to use with its one-touch operation. Simply press and hold the button to start blending or grinding, and release to stop. If you ever encounter any issues or are not satisfied with our product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're dedicated to providing the best solution for our customers. Enjoy delicious and healthy homemade beverages every day with the Yabano Personal Blender. Looking for a convenient and efficient blender for your on-the-go lifestyle? The Hinged portable blender is the perfect solution. With its compact design and lightweight construction, this blender is ideal for travel, work, the gym, or even the office. It won't take up much space in your bag, making it the ultimate portable companion. Equipped with a powerful motor and 6 sharp blades, this blender effortlessly creates smooth and nutritious shakes and smoothies in no time. Whether you need a quick breakfast or a post-workout refuel, this blender has got you covered. Cleaning is a breeze with its auto-clean function, and the included cleaning brush ensures a thorough clean every time. Thanks to its innovative magnetic induction technology, the blades only rotate when the bottle and base are securely tightened, ensuring safe operation. Say goodbye to clunky and complicated blenders. With the Hinged portable blender, making delicious drinks is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just add your ingredients, tighten, and blend with a simple double click of the button. Enjoy your favorite drinks in just 30 seconds. Get your hands on this versatile blender now and elevate your blending experience to new heights. I hope you enjoyed our video about the top 5 personal blenders. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.